Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the call failed error on your iPhone. To fix this, first go to the phone app. Now, tap on Dial Pad tab. Here, type *#31# and tap the call button. Now, wait for a few seconds and then you should see this message. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down to tap on General. Here, tap on About. Then, scroll down and wait for a couple of seconds. If an update is available, you should see this prompt. After updating the carrier settings, return to the General menu and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. If that doesn't work either, go to the General menu again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap the Reset button at the bottom. Then, select Reset Network Settings and follow the on-screen prompts. If none of these steps work, try contacting your carrier as a last resort. They can assist you in resolving issues related to your account or network coverage. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.